Okay, so this is a very quick run through of the Adverse Childhood Experiences card deck by me, Warren Larkin. They were illustrated by the excellent John Dorsett, who did a great job. There are 5 decks, 5 different suits. There's an explanation booklet, a set of instructions that go with it, looking at the research on adversity and resilience, and some suggestions for how to use the cards. The idea, in a nutshell, is that people can work with a practitioner. They can look at the Adverse Child Experiences cards. There's more than the original 10 in this deck. And they can pick out the experiences that they've had. They can share them with a worker, or they can keep them confidential. They can also look at the impacts of adversities and say whether those things have possibly been the consequences of their adversity. And then there's a set of cards that represent resilience and coping in childhood, which people might have in their lives or may want to have in their lives. And again, resilience and coping throughout the life course, which people may have in their lives or may want to acquire as a form of supportive coping. And this is obviously a balanced story. So we're saying this is what's happened to people. This is how they've been affected. These are some of the things that you've found supportive or protective in your life, or things that you might want to have in your life. And these are some of the things throughout the life course that you've already got, or that you think might be protective or useful to you in your journey. And then finally, we've got the hopes and dreams cards, where people can write on these cards where they want to get to, what they want to achieve, what they want to be different. So hopefully this card deck is a tool for practitioners and for people seeking help to try and make sense of what's happened to them, how it might have affected them, some of the things that might be protective or supportive and help them cope with stress or adversity. And then hopefully some sense of, hope, some sense of destination. I hope that's been helpful. Please get in touch with any queries. I hope you find them useful in your practice. Please do let us know the different ways that you find to use them. Thank you very much.